In a valley, way on the other side of the world, where spring comes just as it does here, two children were plowing. It was hot, hard work. Hard for Tina. Harder still for Tommy, who had to push the plow.
It's Farmer Moneybags, come to get his horse back.
But we haven't finished yet.
Already with my horse, my little ones? You've had him a long time, and now I need him back to do my own work. Don't look so frightened, Tina. Maybe you can have him again.
Father Moneybags, wait just a minute, please. We don't have anything to plant.
So that's what you want, eh? Those who plow should have something to plant. Giddy up! And those who don't have anything to plant shouldn't bother to plow.
I wish old Moneybags weren't so stingy.
He's got oceans of wheat. He can't ever use it all.
What do you want? Out of here before I roast you up for supper. Take these 3 grains then, but get out and stay out.
Right, so Tommy and Tina see this. Tommy, Tina!
Well, you look pretty pleased with yourself, Cocky. What have you got? Oh, look, Tommy, he's brought 3 grains of wheat.
You're a wonder bird, Cocky. Now we can plant our field.
How did you ever do it?
Wasn't easy, let me tell you. Tina, these grains will grow and grow. And soon we'll have a whole field of waving wheat. You wait and see. Oh, they're gone. Run, Tina, run. We have to find them. Hurry. Such a gale. It was Grandpa Whirlwind passing by.
They're lost forever now. Even if he didn't mean to do it.
No, Tina. Not lost. Not if I can find Grandpa Whirlwind.
Wait for me. Let me come too.
It's too far, and I don't know how long I'll be.
I don't care, Tommy. I'm coming with you. Back you go, Cocky.
No, sir. I'm coming with you.
Tommy and Tina and Cocky trudged on and on and on. But not even a whisper of a wind did they see. Oh, wait a minute. What's that?
Did you feel that breeze? He must be somewhere near. We're getting closer.
If you're looking for Grandpa Whirlwind, he's over here. I can feel his breath on my wings.
There he is. He's taking a nap. Oh, I can't stand up. Grandpa Whirlwind!
What shall we do?
Leave it to me, kids.
Come on, Cocky. You can make it.
Was this a cock crowing in the afternoon? And I was having such nice dreams, too.
Cocky woke you because we want to tell you something. But your beard's all tangled up. Let's fix it first. Goodness, what a mess. I never saw such a tangly beard.
We'll have you all untied in a jiffy.
There you are.
Thank you, children. Now, what could you want me for?
We've had a hard time finding you, Grandpa Whirlwind. We chased you all the way from our farm.
But what for?
Our 3 grains.
You blew them away.
I blew away your 3 grains? Well, that's a sad state of affairs. I'll have to fix that up for you. Don't you worry about a thing. You'll have all the grain you want.
Oh, can you really help us? Because they were all the grain we had.
Hop up on my shoulders and I'll tell you what I'll do. My bear picks up stray grains of wheat from all over the world, from lands that are east of the sun and west of the moon. And when we get back home, I'll comb it out for you, and then you'll have all the wheat you want.
Oops, almost lost my cap.
Don't get busy now.
Finished at last. Every grain's planted.
You've done a good job, children. And now, is there anything else I can do?
Could you bring some rain, Grandpa Whirlwind?
Could you bring the sun after the rain, Grandpa Whirlwind?
But of course, playing with clouds is one of my favorite games.
Grandpa Whirlwind gently lifted a rain cloud over Tommy and Tina's field. Cocky and his friend had a nice bath for themselves. And when it had rained enough, blew away all the clouds, and the sun shone down bright and warm. Up rose the wheat, higher and higher, until it was taller than Tommy and Tina.
Goodbye, Grandpa Whirlwind.
Come back